Let me tell you something. Being a woman is not easy. Being a woman is not easy. And sometimes you just wake up and you get your makeup wrong. You get your makeup wrong, uvele uphume laphayana uhambe ungaziboni ukuthi ubukeka ngathi mhlambe ispoke. There you are thinking you look your best. Ushuthi video uyifake ku-TikTok. Uyifake ku-TikTok, u-TikTok bavele bathi hhayi uyaqothuka. Bathi hhayi uyaqothuka. Bavele bathi ku-TikTok uyaqothuka. Bathi uqothulwa yini? Hey, being a woman is not easy. But ke uNoni is finding out the hard way because angazi noma in this instance sisho yini ukuthi high value woman. Hayi phela high value angithi lo high value ahlala ekhuluma ngawo angazi ukuthi kwenzekeni nge-makeup ka-high value. Hayi shame ka-TikTok bayamtinyela bathi uyaqothuka bathi uyaphela, you know. Hayi mina ngazi kwenzekani ngoNoni. All I know ukuthi uNoni would come for women and tell them ukuthi they are not high value, they must not demand certain kinds of men. Ngiyayibuza ke mina ukuthi yena ke right now high value yini njoba nje i-makeup inje high value yini yena. They like coming for women. Abazi ukuthi being a woman is not easy. Hayi bengithi nje nginifakele le video awuthi ngihambe ngiya ku-TikTok ngiyobuka laphayana ama-high value comments. Goodbye.
It is. Other men are out there grinding day in, day out. You're out there just busy thinking of women. You're busy just in fact, you're just chasing a woman that does not care about you, my guy. You're chasing after a woman that does not care